Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a triangle. The side length of this triangle are 8 units, and there is a circle inside it touching these three sides, and we have to find the area of this green region. Consider this is the center of this circle. Now draw a perpendicular line from the base of this triangle. Now draw the joining line of this center and this corner of this triangle. Now this line indicates the radius of this circle. Consider the radius of this circle is r. So this is r. And as the side length of this triangle is same, so the angle of this triangle are equal, and which is 60 degree. So this line divide this angle equally, so this angle will be 30 degree, and this is the midpoint of this side. So the length of this side is 4 unit, because 8 divided by 2 is 4. So now focus on this triangle. Applying trigonometry here, we can write this r divided by 4, r divided by 4. This is tan of this angle, so tan of 30 degree, or this r over 4 is equal to tan 30 degree is 1 over square root of 3. Now multiplying both side by 4, we will get the value of r. So r is equal to this 4 here, 4 times 1, this is 4 over square root of 3. This is the radius of this circle, and consider the side length of this triangle is a. So the green region, if the a is the area of this green region, this will be the total area of this triangle minus the area of this circle. So area of this triangle, this will be square root over 3 over 4 times this side length square. According to formula, we get it, and the area of this circle is pi times r square. So this will be the area of this green region. Now substituting this value, we can write square root over 3 over 4 times the value of a, side length of this triangle is 8 square, minus this pi times radius, this is 4 over square root over 3 and this square is equal to this square root over 3 divided by 4 times 8 square is 64, minus this pi times 4 square is 16 divided by square root over 3 square. This square root over and this square will cancel and it will be 3 is equal to 64 divided by 4 is 16 times this square root over 3 minus this pi times 16 divided by 3, and the approximate value of it will get 10.96 square units. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.